Alright, this is how you work a vacuum cleaner. Actually, it's not how you work, this is not like my vacuum. Only my vacuum cleaner is more of a teal color. And this is more like a red color. So, okay, that's how you vacuum. Now, what I do next is I unplug the vacuum cleaner from the wall and I wrap up the vacuum cord like so, just like so. And once I get all this wrapped up, and I put the vacuum cleaner back in its closet and toy room. Alright, that's it. Now I have it. That was my YouTube video of me vacuuming. Alright, let's see how it turned out. And I hope it would turn out great when my mom and dad would see me on YouTube on my laptop. That's fun. That phone brightly in my eyes. Okay, you can stop the video now.
I did.
Okay.
Thank you, Kyle.
Welcome.
Stop. You're irritating.
You stop. Don't worry.
All right, wave bye.
Bye.